command you, leave from this body, leave from this family. Leave from this family in the name of Jesus. I command you to leave. Walay mabilin talang gawas. Come out in the name of Jesus. I said, come out in the name of Jesus. Muhihap kong taman sa tulo. Langkat mo tanan diha. Walay mabilin. I said, 1, 2, labas in the name of Jesus. Come out in the name of Jesus. Kinsa mo diya nga naghawid. Spiritual husband. Spiritual husband. Langkat taka sa ngalan ni Jesus. Gilangkat taka. Spiritual husband. Leave. Now in the name of Jesus. Gawas aning lawas. Spiritual husband. Gawas. 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 Kinsay ngalan nimo. Kinsay ngalan nimo. Gawas ka ning lawas. In the mighty name of Jesus. Submit to the name of Jesus Christ. Every knee shall bow and every tongue confess that Jesus is Lord. Muluhod ka sa ngalan ni Jesus. I command the fire of the Lord